This is Redmi Note 9 and today in this video I like to share you guys Redmi Note 9 full review after 6 months. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout, so let's start the video. Redmi Note 9 comes with 6.53-inch IPS LCD display, 83.5% skin to body ratio, 1080 into 2340 pixel with 395 ppi density. Phone back and front protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Redmi Note 9 running Miui 12 with Android 10 and this is 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. Redmi Note 9 using chipset MediaTek Helio G85, so your gaming experience is full. You can play Call of Duty, PUBG and very high graphics game very easily. I am already making 2 gaming review after Miui 12, link in the video description and below. Go there and watch this video. You can unlock your phone by fingerprint scanner and face unlock, both is speed super fast. Let's move on camera section. Redmi Note 9 comes with quad camera setup, 48 megapixel main lens with 1.8 aperture, 26mm wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 180 degree with 2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, 2.4 aperture, 2 megapixel depth, 2.4 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Redmi Note 9 main camera you can record 1080 30fps video and you also record 120fps slow-mo video. You can take very good photo with very good details in the daylight. By the way, you can use GCAM to get better result. I am already making Redmi Note 9 Google camera and S2 camera comparison. Link in the video description line below. Go there and watch this video. Redmi Note 9 comes with single 13 megapixel selfie camera with 2.3 aperture. Redmi Note 9 comes with 5020 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger with USB Type-C 2.0. So my 6 month using experience not bad, very good. I get all the update timely and I don't facing any problem and lagging. So this is all about Redmi Note 9 full review after 6 months. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.